To get the most from this video, you will need to see our other videos on how soil and vent pipes work, how to connect to them, solvent welding, and fitting shower wall panels. At the start of the garage conversion, we drew a diagram of the bathroom on the floor. Then we raised the floor levels, introducing the solvent weld pipes into the soil stack, which you can see here, and made absolutely sure that we had the right levels to get everything down to that stack. We laid the shower tray dry, allowed 10mm for a bed, and cut round through the wall panels, the shower panels, with a multi-saw. We put the tray back, checked everything was level, and introduced the waste pipe into the hole in the tray itself. We marked the edge of the hole of the outlet of the tray onto the pipe, and that's the trap that's going to go into that pipe. Taking the tray away again, we mark the pipe in the exact place we're going to cut it so it fits into the spigot of the waste, just there. Introduce the nuts, the plastic back washer and the rubber washer onto the pipe. That makes absolutely sure that the trap or the shower waste stays watertight. Check with your finger that the pipe has reached all the way into the spigot, and then tighten up as tight as you can by hand. This will compress the rubber washer into the spigot and keep the trap watertight. Finally, make sure the seating washer for the tray is clean with no grit. Lay the tray back in position, and once you're sure that you're in the right position, then maneuver the trap into the center of the hole so that you can be absolutely sure at this stage that they're going to line up perfectly. There we go. Check around to make sure there's nothing underneath between the rubber and the underside of the tray. All of the plastic covering on the tray, the protection covering, will be pulled off at a later stage. There's no need to do that now. And this is just to demonstrate how the trap itself, how the shower waste goes together. So the bowl underneath is clamped up to the underside of the tray by the threaded surround, which fits into the dish in the shower tray outlet. So that's tightened up a lot tighter later. Then the catching sump is put in, and then the top cover. We'll take those out for now because the tray's got to come out again to have its bed laid. Fill in any parts of the floor that project beyond the edge of the tray, and then lay a 10mm mortar bed. Laying a bed accurately takes a little bit of practice. It's good if you get it right first time. You don't have to keep picking up the tray and relaying it. So practice laying a bed before you get into the bathroom. Drop the tray on the bed. Twist it as you put it in position to compress the mortar, and then it should slide into position quite accurately. Level it up, making sure the tray itself is absolutely 100% level. The slope of the for the water is actually in the tray, in the dish of the tray itself, so everything should be level as you lay it. Give it a little tap if required. This is where practice comes in with setting the bed. Give it a final twist. Check it again. And then put the waste connection in loosely just to hold that in position in case it gets knocked or kicked. Peel back the protective plastic and give the edges where the tray meets the shower panel walls or other walls a really good clean with some white spirit. When you've done that, leave that 15 minutes to evaporate, and you can then seal the tray to, in this case, the wall panels, perhaps at home to the wall before you tile. When sealed, you're ready to fit your shower surround. When the shower surround is fitted, the plastic can come up and the waste can be fitted really tightly and properly, as can the trim between the underside of the tray and the floor. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? As soon as you do, you'll be eligible to enter all sorts of competitions and win loads of great prizes. You'll also be first to hear about every video that we release. Look forward to hearing from you.